In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add patterns to Figma. Let's start by heading into Figma and opening the file where you want to work. Make sure you're on the canvas you want to decorate. This approach works the same on the desktop app and in the browser, so use whichever you prefer. Next, open the Plugins menu. You can find plugins from the main menu or the Quick Actions search. Plugins are a great way to extend Figma without leaving your design, and we'll use one that brings in free images you can turn into patterns. From the plugins list, choose the Pixabay plugin. Pixabay provides a large library of free images right inside Figma. It's handy for quick explorations and mockups. Keep in mind that while images are free to use, you'll still want to pick visuals that look clean when repeated. In the Pixabay search bar, type the word pattern, then browse the results and choose an image you like. Look for graphics that feel seamless or tileable, such as geometric shapes, dots, stripes, or abstract textures. Simple, high-contrast images often tile more cleanly. Once you select an image, it will be placed onto your canvas as a layer. With that image selected, go to the right-hand sidebar and open the Fill controls using the Style and Variables button. This reveals the image fill settings for the selected layer, which is where we'll control how it behaves as a background. Now change the image fill behavior to tile. Tiling repeats the image in every direction, turning a single graphic into a repeating pattern. If the repeat looks too large or too small, adjust the scale right here in the fill settings until the spacing feels right. A smaller scale creates tighter repeats. A larger scale gives a bold, roomy pattern. Finally, expand the image to view the pattern formed. Click and drag the layer's corner handles to make it larger, or stretch the frame around it to see more of the tiled repeat. As you resize, you'll immediately see how the pattern fills the space. If the edges of the original image are visible, or the repeat feels off, try a different image or tweak the scale until the seams disappear. That's it. You went to Figma, opened the Plugins menu, ran Pixabay, searched for pattern, and chose an image, opened the fill settings with the Style and Variables button, set the image to tile, and then resized to reveal the repeating pattern. Use this technique to add texture to hero sections, backgrounds for components, or subtle brand accents across your designs.